Okay, LeetCode number 28. This is string in a string. It's find the index of the first occurrence in a string. If it's not there, we're going to return a -1. Otherwise, we return the first starting index of where that's found. So here we have sad, but sad. The first occurrence of sad, the needle in the haystack, is at 0, so we would return 0. If it's not in there, return 1. Okay. This is C#. Big O is N times M. N is each character in the haystack. M is each character in needle. So let's do it. C#. Let's see if needle.length is greater than haystack. That means it can't be found anyway because it can't fit. So just return. All right, we're going to loop through each character in haystack. Remember, there's other solutions for this. There's famous algorithms for this. I'll probably do at least one of those later. Right now, we're just going to do the solution. Let's see, haystack, what am I doing? For I equals, what am I doing? 0. That's what happens when I talk and code at the same time. I mess it up. Let's see, haystack length minus needle length plus 1 because we're looking for less than that. Now at this point we don't want to start our search past the point where needle would fit. See, that's the thing. Like over here, we don't want to start searching for sad if we're right here on the A because it can't fit. That's what this code is doing. So let's see. Okay, now we need another loop because each character, now we're going to compare the character in needle to wherever we're at in our outer loop. Okay, if it's not there, we just need to break out of this inner for loop. So if, let's see, haystack, let's see, I plus j does not equal needle j, then break. Okay, otherwise we have a match. And let's see, we need to, if we have a match, how do we know that we're at the end? You see, because we're inside of a for loop. If we just break out, we're still in another for loop. So we say if j plus 1, because we want to know if we're past the length of needle. So j would be the end of needle, but plus 1, we would be off the chart there. So if j plus 1 is greater than needle.length, then we know we're done, and we can just return I, because I is where we started. I is where we started up in the outer for loop. That's the beginning of our search, so that's going to be the index that we need. So we have that. And then if we make it outside of this, we just need to return -1 because nothing was found. So there we go. Save that. Let's go ahead and see what happens. And it looks like I made a mistake. And it looks like it's a semicolon. Oh no, what did I do? I forgot. I was probably talking. All right. Because we did not increment, or not we, but I did not increment the for loop. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh, what did I do? Let's see. Oh, it's supposed to be equal, not greater than. Okay, third time is a charm. Yay. Okay, 0 milliseconds beats 100%. Yay, we did it. Okay. There you go. Sorry for the mistakes. That is real life, though. I'm sure there's things I could do to mitigate that. Okay. Yeah, like, share, subscribe, and get the word out. I will see you on the next one.